We are now going into the sunlit zone of the ocean. It's 10 feet deep at 73 degrees Fahrenheit, 23 degrees Celsius. It's a small world. Near the surface, the water is warm and brightly lit by the sun. Light-loving plants, algae, and bacteria, most single-celled and too small to see with the naked eye, are found here in the uncountable numbers. Almost all life in the sea depends on these microscopic organisms, which uses the sun's energy to help them manufacture their own food. They themselves are food for billions of animals, including shrimp-like krill. Krill and other small organisms that drift along the ocean currents are called plankton. Mackerel and other fish gather in enormous schools to feed on plankton. We are now 33 feet deep, 73 degrees Fahrenheit, 23 degrees Celsius, and still considered in the sunlit zone. Big fish eat little fish. At a depth of just 33 feet, 10 meters, the sunlight is already beginning to fade. The pressure is increasing. When we are above the surface, the weight of the air over our heads presses on every part of our bodies. This pressure isn't noticeable unless it changes, as when our ears pop in a fast elevator ride. Water is much heavier than air, and already the pressure has reached 2 atmospheres, twice what we experience out of the water. We are about as deep as most humans can dive without scuba gear. Life flourishes here. Large, fast-swimming predators eat smaller fish, herding them together into large swirling balls. Seabirds, some capable of diving to depths of 220 feet, 67 meters, attack from above. Other animals feed on seaweed or jellyfish. We are now 164 feet deep, 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and 22 degrees Celsius, but still in the sunlit zone. Filter feeders. Not all large fish are fast-swimming hunters. Both the whale shark, the world's largest fish, and the gigantic manta ray feed directly on plankton. They strain tiny plants and animals from the water passing over their gills. These filter feeders follow swarms of plankton from the surface to depths of several hundred feet. Jellyfish and many other smaller animals are also filter feeders, trapping plankton with sticky tentacles or net-like antennae. Again, we're still in the sunlit zone, but we are now 330 feet deep, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and 21 degrees Celsius. Soft bodies. The light is fading and the pressure is now 10 atmospheres, 10 times as great as at the surface. Unlike air, water, and other fluids don't compress much or get smaller under pressure. The bodies of most ocean animals are filled with fluid, so they don't have a problem with the pressure. Anything containing a hollow, air-filled space, such as a human body or a submarine, risks being crushed as it descends. Jellyfish are common here. Comb jellies, a family of soft-bodied transparent animals distantly related to jellyfish, are also plentiful. Jellyfish and comb jellies lack a brain, eyes, and a sense of smell, but they are efficient predators, capturing plankton and small fish with tentacles and sticky bodies. They rise from the depths at night to feed, returning to the safety of deeper water at dawn.